You know what happened?
Yeah.
What did you do?
I started where he is in first gear.
Yeah.
I tried to change into second gear. I tried to accelerate and I wobbled out.
Yeah, look up there. Yeah, that's it.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons, no matter.
Lean. Hook up.
Going to right-hand turn onto a farmer track. Safety. Keep left as long as possible, so they can see you as soon as possible and you can see them as soon as possible. Riding advantage of staying left or right in the left-hand corner as long as possible is that you can oversee the situation before you're there. Stay outside of the corner as long as possible. You can look in and through the corner. You can make a plan how to handle it. You go into the corner wide, you see a problem, you make a plan to deal with it. I would suggest to make a plan plus. So you have corner, you have problem, you see fix, but then you look ahead. Is my fix not going to be causing a bigger problem over there? And where do I look? I look where I can go as wide as possible for the corner. Then I open up my view and look through the corner. Maybe I see a problem. I look at what the solution is. I look to see if there's another problem coming. And then I'm looking back, am I still on the right track to take the corner? How fast can we take corners? As fast as you can make a plan, plus. Go through or go around? That's a big question. The wet season is coming and then everything is sliding. So everything is a bit downhill towards the mud pool. Now if you want to go around, there's a chance that you start sliding into the mud pool. So there's two ways of dealing with it. Go around, except that you're sliding, because you can't see what's in the mud pool. Other people say, well, water is staying there because the surface underneath is hard. So they choose to go in because you can't slide any further than where you're at. So going in means less chance of sliding, but if there's a stick or a stone you can't see it. Going around you can see what's there, but you have a chance of sliding in. Standing up or sitting down, that's always a discussion. What I try to explain is if you ride off-road, if you ride adventure, it's always good to save energy for the hard parts. My motorcycle doesn't know if the surface is paved or not. I can only see if this is pavement or not. It's no use for the bike. It doesn't need extra help to stand upright or go through a corner or go over bumps or stuff like that. Do I have to help my bike over through the situation or not? If it just can continue rounding as it does on a paved surface, I'll just sit down. If I think, oh, it's getting technical, or there's a big bump coming, or I might lose traction, like on wet grass, I stand up. And if I can't oversee the situation, I stand up to be ready for oops.
Making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive.
Hips back, shoulders down. Now you're in that position that if your front tire hits the deep spot in the soft sand, it brakes. You can react to the braking. Your elbows and upper body is in a position that is strong, so it can compensate for the extra wobble. It's to wobble more than you like. Then you go down again, but you keep your elbows up. Then it goes enough in the right direction that you think, oh, relax. And then you go down. All of that happens with a little bit of throttle on. Because when I throttle up, speed up, I pick my front tire out of the deep sand and it wobbles less as well. The magic speed threshold for being able to ride through deep sand with one hand on the handlebar is about 60 kilometers an hour. Use second gear, hips back and down, shoulders down, be strong and compensate for the wobbles you don't like. Deep sand, hard places, a lot of luggage on the bike, second gear, so the bike runs smooth. Hips down and back, elbows out, and then you're ready for what's coming.
I can learn how to let go while my heart's still beating for more. I cannot leave it. You see right through my naked eye, and we can't just waste it. 'Cause I wouldn't stop to wonder why. There's a million reasons you leave me as I'm falling down. As I'm falling down. I cannot leave it.
Put the steering wheel up, and then you can, people can help here,
Yeah,
and you're standard, yeah. Okay?
yeah.
Then you can push it open like a squat with the
Support it with this.
right. The sand on it.
Stand on.
Did you know what happened?
Yeah,
What did you do?
I started where he is in first gear.
Yeah.
I tried to change into second gear. I tried to accelerate and I wobbled out and I wasn't holding sideways.
Did you have enough throttle?
No.
Ah, okay. Keep enough throttle. Huh?
I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see.
Thanks for joining me again and see you next time.